Living in West Columbia, South Carolina, offers a blend of suburban tranquility and close proximity to the bustling city of Columbia. However, like many homeowners in residential neighborhoods, you may experience noise disturbances from nearby traffic, construction, or busy streets. These external noises can affect your comfort and peace of mind, especially in areas where homes are close together. While many homeowners focus on soundproofing walls or upgrading windows, a properly installed door can be just as effective in reducing the amount of outside noise that enters your home. In this article, we'll explore how proper door installation can help reduce outside noise in your West Columbia home, offering you a more peaceful, quiet living environment. How sound travels through doors. Understanding how sound travels through your home helps to appreciate the importance of installing the right door. Sound travels in waves and can pass through solid objects, including doors. If your front or back door is old, poorly sealed, or made from thin materials, it becomes a major pathway for outside noise to infiltrate your home. When sound waves hit an uninsulated door or a door with gaps and cracks, they pass through the material and enter your living space. In neighborhoods like West Columbia, where roads, schools, and commercial areas can generate noise, this intrusion can disrupt the tranquility of your home, making it difficult to focus or relax. The role of door material in sound reduction. One of the key factors in how effectively a door reduces outside noise is the material it's made from. Thin wooden doors or hollow core doors are more likely to transmit sound than solid core doors. Solid wood, fiberglass, and steel doors provide much better sound insulation due to their density and thickness, which act as barriers to sound waves. When replacing your door, opt for materials that are known for their ability to block sound. Fiberglass and steel doors are particularly effective at absorbing sound, while solid wood doors provide both a classic aesthetic and functional noise reduction. Choosing a door with a thicker material helps prevent unwanted noise from making its way into your living spaces. Proper installation ensures a better seal. Even the best materials can fail to block sound if the door is not properly installed. A door with gaps around the edges or improper weather stripping won't offer an adequate seal, allowing sound to slip through these openings. This is why door installation is just as important as the door itself when it comes to soundproofing your home. A properly installed door ensures that the door fits snugly within the frame and is sealed properly. Professional installation often includes adding high-quality weather stripping or acoustic seals around the door's edges, preventing sound from leaking through gaps. This extra layer of protection not only blocks drafts but also helps reduce the transmission of sound from outside, allowing you to enjoy a quieter and more peaceful home environment. Double-glazed glass for noise reduction. If your door includes glass panels or windows, they can also be a significant source of sound transmission. Single-pane glass can amplify outside noise, allowing it to travel easily through your door. For optimal soundproofing, consider upgrading to a door with double-glazed or acoustic glass. Double-glazed glass features 2 layers of glass with an insulating airspace between them, which helps block sound and provides better overall insulation. Acoustic glass is specifically designed to minimize sound transmission. This type of glass uses special layers or films to reduce noise while maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your door. Whether you choose double-glazed or acoustic glass, upgrading your door's windows can significantly improve its ability to block out external noise in your West Columbia home. Additional soundproofing features. In addition to selecting the right material and ensuring proper installation, there are other soundproofing features that can help reduce noise in your home. For instance, adding a door sweep along the bottom of the door helps close any gaps where sound might leak through. Door sweeps are particularly useful for exterior doors that might have a larger gap due to settling or natural wear. Another option is to install soundproof door panels or foam core insulation inside the door. These added features provide extra noise blocking capabilities, especially in areas where outside noise is particularly intrusive. Improved comfort and privacy. In West Columbia, where homes may be in proximity to busy streets or public spaces, a properly installed door can significantly improve your privacy and comfort. A quieter home enhances your ability to focus, relax, and enjoy your personal space without disruptions. If you're working from home, trying to enjoy family time, or simply need rest, reducing outside noise is essential for creating a peaceful and comfortable environment. A properly installed door that blocks noise also enhances your privacy by preventing neighbors or passers-by from overhearing conversations or activities inside your home. Whether you're watching TV, reading, or enjoying time with family, a quieter space allows you to enjoy your home more fully. Increase your home's value. Upgrading your door to one that offers better sound insulation and energy efficiency can also increase your home's value. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes that are both quiet and comfortable. Installing a door that effectively reduces outside noise makes your home more appealing, particularly to buyers who value privacy and a peaceful living environment. In West Columbia, where real estate options are varied, making sure your home stands out with enhanced comfort and security can set it apart in a competitive market. Conclusion: enjoy peaceful living with a properly installed door. Reducing outside noise in your West Columbia home is essential for enhancing your comfort and privacy, especially in areas where traffic or other external sounds can be disruptive. A properly installed door made from soundproofing materials like fiberglass or steel can make a significant difference in keeping your home peaceful and quiet. By investing in a new door with high-quality installation and soundproof features, you're not only improving your home's noise control but also enhancing its overall security, energy efficiency, and value. If you're tired of dealing with external noise or want to create a more relaxing atmosphere in your home, consider upgrading to a properly installed door that helps keep unwanted sound at bay. It's an investment in both your home's comfort and long-term value.